If you've ever wanted to clean up your Google Calendar and remove old reminders, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Google Calendar reminders quickly and easily. This is perfect if you have repeated reminders, outdated tasks, or notifications you no longer need cluttering up your calendar. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device. Once you're inside, look through your calendar and find the reminder you want to delete. If you have a lot of events on your screen, you may need to switch between day, week, or month for a month view to locate it faster. Take your time and make sure you click the correct reminder, especially if you have several similar entries. After you find it, click the reminder to open the details. This will bring up the reminder card or event panel where you can see the full information. Now, look for the delete option, which is usually shown as a trash can icon. Click delete to remove the reminder from your calendar. In some cases, Google Calendar may ask you to confirm your choice before it deletes anything. If that happens, simply confirm delete to finish the process, and that's it. The reminder is now removed from your Google Calendar. If you want to delete more reminders, just repeat the same steps for each one. This is a really easy way to keep your calendar organized and free from clutter. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.